The Porsche. The Porsche Taycan is reportedly getting an enhanced battery pack to improve range. This news, man, I got to say, I was in the comments of this particular article. People are heavy on the fandom with the EVs and the Tesla and all the rest of it. It's
like positive? Or
no, it's nasty down there in the comments.
Oh, okay.
It's nasty down there. It make you think of Apple and Android and whatnot.
I see.
They're going back and forth, head to head. It's unbelievable. Anyway, so obviously you remember we talked about on this show in the past that the EPA, they did their rating on the range for the upcoming Taycan Turbo S, and they came out with a number that was not super impressive to a lot of people. 201 miles, lower than expected and lower than Porsche themselves had suggested, I believe. And so people were a bit, people were upset, I guess. They were expecting more, hoping for more. Range is a hot topic when it comes to EVs, and Tesla has been pumping out some really impressive numbers. But Porsche immediately came out and said, hey, we don't like that testing. We think, I don't know. It was just disputed. I don't know. I don't have all the answers, Will.
Well,
is that from Sway, the Sway Kanye interview? Who said that, Sway or Kanye?
You ain't got the answers.
You ain't got the answers. You ain't got the answers. So who doesn't have the answers, Sway?
Yeah, Sway doesn't.
Yeah, so you don't have the answer in this case.
Okay, I'm Sway.
But neither do I. So we're both Sway in this scenario. So there's this dude who's ordered up one of these Taycan turbos, and he got an update from his dealer. Porsche updated its battery packs for U.S. Taycans currently awaiting build. And his turbo will have the new enhanced pack versus the standard pack. More details to come soon. It pushed back his delivery date by 7 days. No one expected it. No one paid for it. No one selected the option, but Porsche in the background apparently working on an enhanced battery pack. The way you would perceive that is, okay, maybe there's going to be range improvements. But then, further speculation, well, if you put a bigger battery, maybe it's heavier. Now, does the handling suffer? What happens there? Or are they going to have more dense battery packs? Who knows how they're going to approach this? There's still a lot of questions that are left unanswered. But the thing I end up finding down here in the comment section is that people are mad about it regardless. People are still, particularly people in the Tesla camp, are still saying you're paying double the price. You can get a Model S that can go 360 miles on the EPA range. There's no way they're going to make up that gap. So that argument is the space is heating up. And as much as I read that and I say to myself, why has it always got to be like this? It does have to be like this because this is how competition works. People get fired up. More people talk about EVs.
Better product.
It brings people into the conversation. And these loud and aggressive enthusiasts become the voice, whether we like it or not, and all the rest of it. And they just, I mean, the word gets out because of the enthusiasm. And it is still coming from a place of enthusiasm, even if I wouldn't personally chit-chat in the same fashion, at least not at this point in my life. I'm not going to be deep diving in there on the work day, popping the paragraphs. Because I'm telling you, man, they're popping the paragraphs on the work day. I mean, I see these posts 7 hours ago. What is that? That's midday.
Yeah.
Just midday over here.
Lunchtime. Just
blasting one another. Just blast off. I mean, I'm trying to do a few things over here. I don't know. Just saying. But anyway, enthusiasm, fantastic. Everybody's got their thing. But like, look at this one, man. I don't know if you want to scroll down. That's a paragraph. This guy's actually a Porsche fan. He's mad. I mean, I don't want to talk about it too much, but I'm just saying, like, look at this comment section. It makes YouTube look like a cakewalk. YouTube looks like Fantasyland. Fantasia, Crayola, YouTube looking like Sesame Street compared to Tesla Roddy comment section.
This is true.
You understand? Big birds over on YouTube.
This is a Sam Harris
Yeah.
podcast.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they're actually talking about the origin of consciousness.
Jordan Peterson, Sam Harris.
Yeah, they
2 hour
moved
debate.
on quickly. It started with Porsche versus Tesla, and then they got into the Big Bang later on.
Yeah.
Anyway, I guess it's good news. It's one of those cases where we're making fun of it right now, but in reality, the noise might have influenced what the Taycan that actually ships may have now been impacted or improved upon because of these dudes. So maybe I need to be thanking these dudes right here who are putting the paragraphs out to the world at lunchtime.
Yeah.
You know, in between bites. You know, but I don't think there's a lot of sashimi in that comment. I'm just saying. It's not the same lunch, that entire floor at Apple.
Yeah. It's mostly filler. It's rice.
I wonder what the lunch looks like in the Tesla Roddy comment section. The average lunch.
It would have to be fast.
Soup and a Sammy? Nothing wrong with that. Yeah. Tell you what, most days I'll take that over the sashimi anyways. I need that comfort. You know, I don't need it too fancy myself. Yeah. I had a sandwich today. It wasn't great.
Which one?
I had a sandwich today. It wasn't great. Just a Subway.
Sub. Okay.
Turkey, bacon. They don't have a turkey bacon sub on the menu.
Oh, you gotta.
Which
customize.
is rude. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, that combination, everyone knows. You don't have turkey bacon combo on the menu. I gotta go and say like a weirdo every time. Can I do a turkey bacon?
Yeah.
It's not on the
Can
menu.
I be that guy?
And they look at me and they say, yeah, of course. I say, well, if it's of course, can we just put it up there? If it's of course. But, it's just, you remember Vin was saying the other day? Certain type of satisfaction with the bread products, with the dough and the whatnot. You eat you take some bread, you put the ingredients inside. You slice it, you put the ingredients inside, you have a sandwich. There's a certain satisfaction there with that combination. It's been around for a few years now.
Yes.
It's been around for a few years now.
It works.
So, just saying, don't bet against the sandwich long term.
No.
Granted, now people, they try to wrap it in lettuce. Guy like Kurt try to wrap it in lettuce.
Yeah.
So, don't you dare call that a sandwich. Bring that stuff around here.